Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications for loan due dates on Bright. Never miss a loan due date again. Here's how to set up loan due date reminders in Bright. Start by opening the Bright app and tap your profile icon. Go to settings and then select notifications. Next, tap on loan alerts or repayment reminders, of course depending on your version of the app. And here you can toggle on alerts for upcoming due dates, for payment confirmations, and of course late payment warnings. You can customize how early you want to be notified. Choose between 1, 3, or 7 days before the due date. You can also choose how you'd like to receive the alert, whether it's push notifications, SMS, or email. Once you save your preferences, Bright will notify you on schedule so that you're never caught off guard again. Like, share, subscribe for more Bright tutorials that help you stay on top of your finances.